How to solve the Piers from SiamMandalay. We have this wooden structure and the goal is to free the yellow string. We have these 5 tall poles with also a wooden ring, and in the center we have a smaller pole. We have this red string. At the end we have a bead. The string passes through the pole, but the bead cannot pass through the pole. Also attach this red string to the smaller pole. How to free the yellow string? First thing, we're going to pull a few on the wooden ring, and we're going to pass the yellow string on the other side. Donc, the string pass on the other side this way, and now the yellow string going pass through each one of the pole. And that's the delicate operations we cannot mix. Always, we're going to take the yellow string in these positions and pass through the hole. The yellow string pass through the hole above the red string. I'll try. And one is that I grab the B, and now I can pull back the yellow string. Also try not to mix up the string. We do that with the second pole. Donc, yellow string pass through the pole like that, on top of the red string. I'm here, donc I pick up the B, we pull back the yellow string. Okay, we do that with the other pole, number 3. Now yellow string above the red string, the B pass through the yellow string. I pull the yellow string. Okay, try to do the same with this one. We also try not to mix the yellow string, donc like that. Pass through the pole, grab the B, we pull, and we have one left. Donc always, like you can see, do not turn the yellow string, it will be a catastrophe. Okay, like that, we are pass above the red string. I pick up the B, I pull, and the yellow string is free. Now to put back, that's the delicate operations. I'm gonna try to have everything organized. Okay, okay, this here. Okay, now we go the other way around. Donc we're going past. I try to have this red string attached in the mid center pole on this side like that, and I'm going to pass through each one of the pole, but this time below the red string. I'm going to try that. I'm going to put that a few on the side. Now I'm going to start. Okay, below. Donc the bead going pass through the yellow string and pull back the yellow string. Donc I take the string and I do exactly the same with the other one. Pass through the pole, the bead. Try also not to mix up the yellow string. Okay, bead pass through. Okay, that's good. Pull. Okay, donc we do exactly the same with this one. Always yellow string, donc the bead pass through. It's good. Try to. Okay. Donc c'est easy to bring every time the yellow string, and you can see there is not knot, we did not twist, and we continue. Donc on this pole this time, donc pass below the red string. Okay, the bee pass through. Donc we pull back. Okay. Oh, do not mix. Not really good. Okay, and I have this one. Donc we pass through the hole below the red string. Okay, everything line up. The bee pass through. I pull back. Okay, and I should have each one of them. And now I bring back the yellow string on the other side, and we have solved the puzzle both ways. If you like that kind of puzzle, you can check the video on the screen, another fun and crazy disentanglement puzzle.